Hey Tim, how you doing, buddy?
Hey Bob.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, sir. What you working on today? The activators?
Yep.
Let's take a look.
Bring them out.
Take a peek at these in a minute. Let's bring them in here.
These are valve actuators for our
remote
lawn
access to
sprinkler.
them outside.
Huh?
So you have remote access outside of the home.
Yes, sir. These are custom, baby.
Lots of packaging.
There's the test,
Yep.
battery. Cool.
Yeah, you have lots of them in there.
Okay. We're going to dig into these in a minute. Come on, let's go to the main office sec.
Sure.
Come on. Austin, how you doing behind that camera this morning?
I'm doing great, Bob.
Come on. Come on. So what's new in the distributor world?
We are growing some more.
Are you?
Yep, Michael leaves for an acquisition today. He's heading to Nashville, and Randy's heading for an acquisition in 2 weeks up to New York.
No kidding.
So,
good for you guys. Come on in here. Let's say hello to gals while you're here. You going to check on pipe while you're here?
Yeah, I'll do that as well.
Okay. Got a couple things for you.
Yep.
You asked me about Mr. Hoyt on the entrance of the lighting. Let's have Ever get by there tomorrow and write up the more detail.
Okay.
Quote, work, final, this week.
Yep.
Okay, on the customer that called in earlier this morning, we were talking about with the floor. Customer wanted to know when he could get on the schedule. I
Yes.
think that was a 517 floor.
Let me take a look.
One you and I
Yeah.
talked about the other day,
Caramel.
remember? But we do have the flakes in stock,
Okay.
the 517, so we can get that scheduled. We can get that rolling on that. The customer called, he just,
Yeah.
he said he paid online, he just wanted to know when he could get on schedule,
Yes.
which, understood. If we need to do that at the same time that Jeff's doing the other floor this week, we can with Rudy,
Okay.
if you want to do it that way. That would be odd if we're digging in the middle of someone's
Yeah,
garage,
that's
that
right.
deep, right?
Yeah, maybe should
So-
be good.
So Tim, what else is going on? We're talking outside.
Yeah.
You always have something interesting to tell me, but I feel like you're holding back on me something. Tim, come on.
Well, we
Come
just
on.
had a meeting about Hydro Rain.
Okay.
Um,
Tell me a little bit about that.
They've got some new controllers out
Okay.
on the market.
So why would a
Very
contractor
impressed.
be interested in it, you think?
Yep. So they have a app driven. You can control the controllers. Over 500 controllers you can do on your app that you can control.
Up to
from-
500?
Actually, more than that. Yeah, you can do
Oh, okay.
thousands. They said. Right now, they currently have an 8 zone, a 16 zone. Then they have another one that's just a little larger that goes from 32 all the way up to 48.
So is that after the commercial industrial market, you think, or were you?
A little bit of both.
Now, what's different than the Hunter products and the Rainbird? Both of those,
Yep.
both
So-
of those
so-
folks have got
yep.
some really good
So
Wi-Fi
they got
controllers.
the app,
Okay.
but you can also do it on the desktop as well. So it's
Okay. So it's more user friendly
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah.
And why does that controller got the best reviews in the world online?
Who?
Ratio.
I guess it depends who's reviewing it.
Yeah, but whoever run their marketing department is great.
Yeah, they
But
do a
when
good
it
job.
goes up against a Rainbird or a Hunter, Hydro-Wise, or whatever the commercial ones, it doesn't.
Yeah.
But if you look online, they've got the reviews down.
Yeah.
I like to tap into whoever's doing the reviews and how
Yeah,
what they
yeah,
got going on.
see
But
what
somebody's
they're
got something going on there.
Exactly,
That knows
yeah.
marketing.
Yeah.
So what's happening as far as holiday lights? I know you guys are
Yep.
bringing that on this year.
Yeah, so I've actually started dabbling in some of the stuff that Mike has talked to you about, that Twinkly, the Twinkly Pro,
Okay.
the color changing
Okay.
through the app.
That's something we got over in the warehouse, the other warehouse. We need to dig that up. Mike brought some product down. Another.
Is that what he brought to you, the Twinkly Pro?
Yeah, he brought
Yeah.
that back probably in July. It was hotter and all
It
get out.
is.
I think it'd be good for some commercial, either apartments, office buildings, where people
Yeah,
come in
so
the front door. I think that'd be a great application for that. So you going to have incandescent or LED or both? Or
Yeah, I think it's both.
Tim's not sure about the product he has on hand. Maybe that's why he's got extra product on hand.
It's
He
not
tells
me.
contractors like myself, we can get it out there on the street and get it hung. Huh?
That's right.
Huh?
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Miss Waters, are you
Yes.
good?
Yep.
Let's give you a hard time. Have a good morning.
You too.
All right, let's get on back out here. Let's take a look at what we got here. This is the charger. So we're going to use a
You
Milwaukee.
got several of those?
Yeah, Milwaukee batteries.
Let's see what they have. Nope, more batteries.
More batteries. So we're going to use Milwaukee to activate them and then charge. Another charger.
There it is. That's what we were looking for.
Yep. This is the unit we'll be using outside of folks' home. This will activate it.
Other way.
No? Is it?
No, actually, it should
Come on now.
Should go that way. Probably just a groove or something.
The groove.
There it is. Then you have a power cord.
You're gonna get the power and on. So you get the power, turn it, and that'll bring the activator.
Yeah, so if you plug that in.
Now it's opening. Get a shot down here, Austin, or in the backside. Right there. Watch that. Closing that valve. So this would be a remote unit we'd be using outside of a client's home. We can turn their water off basement of their house. All sprinkler isolation valve. Pretty cool, huh? Huh? People don't have to be home, so we can turn their water off and on from outside. Makes it
Always
really
buy more
nice. He did a
batteries.
good job here. So we'll be going over this with the guys tomorrow because it's winterization time.
Yes, it is.
And who in the world's calling me? Huh. We'll have to give him a call back here in a second. Rob, we appreciate you coming down today.
Rob.
Tim.
I'm representing Rob.
He represents Rob.
Rob's name's all over this.
Appreciate you coming in, bud.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Have a good week,
Yep, you too.
and we appreciate you,
And I'm
as
going out here
always.
to count your pipe.
Yes, sir. And I think we have enough pipe to hold us through the fall, huh?
Probably to get you through the fall.
I think so.
That's all.
No kidding.
Really? Yeah, it's red. See?
Yeah, it's red. Yeah. The camera's recording. We're here in Crofton, and our guys are doing a VIP upgrade, and we're going to take a look and see how they are doing here today. Looks like they got the front all completed. Looks like all the, yeah, that's absolutely a new head. And here's my sidekick today, Mr. Bird. Yep, Mr. Bird's here with us. And we're checking, see how our guys are making out on this VIP upgrade. Looks like the guys got all these rotors in. Absolutely. Absolutely. Is that Mr. Donnie over there? How are you guys making out? Making out good?
Yes, sir.
A lot of roots there, huh, Edwin?
Yeah.
Looks like you had the front all done.
Yeah, it's all done.
Guys rolling. Have you got an opportunity to put the controller up yet?
Not yet. She left. She's coming maybe like 30 minutes, he said.
Coming back?
And open the garage.
Okay. Buddy boy, how you doing? Doing good? Edwin? Abner?
Hi, Mr. Brown.
I was calling you Edwin. Edwin looked at me and said,
No.
"Don't be calling me that. Don't be calling me Abner." Huh? We give everybody nicknames. Abner, well, I can't. This is a family channel. I can't tell you what we call Abner. A lot of roots. You guys are rocking and rolling on this site, huh? Getting her good. Did you guys figure out where the head was leaking? Miss Denise was talking about. She had the sprinkler head was leaking.
No, this is the valve.
Oh, a valve was leaking?
Yeah,
Did you fix it?
Yes.
Good work, Donnie. Okay. Now there's a big difference in a skinny rock versus a regular rock versus a fat rock. This is a skinny rock.
Yeah.
This is specialty. This is a special valve holder open diaphragm skinny rock.
Really?
Yeah. So where do you get skinny rocks from, Donnie? Where do they come from? Huh?
Yeah, that's a...
You think Edwin goes around at nighttime and goes in people's yards and puts skinny rocks into the manifolds? Uh-huh. Now we hear the real story. All right, we're going to go down DC. We're heading there next. We want to stop and say hello to you guys.
Okay.
So we say hello to you guys. Bye, Abner.
Okay, sir.
Make sure everything's good here when you finish up with Miss Denise, okay?
Yes, sir.
Make sure she understands the new controller and she's comfortable with it, and set it, help her on her phone.
Yeah, I do it.
All right, guys.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, so-
Yep.
Right there.
There's our guys. There's our guys. Let's take a look. Wilder, how are you, bud? Doing good? You going to exit right here? What do you think? Or over here? Right here?
I don't know if that one's more good than in this tire
Higher or lower?
or lower. I don't know.
I think lower.
Lower?
Yeah, I'd go lower. So I'd put a slight twist and come over here. What do you say? Huh? You say nothing? He has nothing to say. His name is No Name today. It's Friday. He says, my name is No Name. Yeah, No Name.
Is that ours? Or is that something Rudy got from someone else at Jim's house? He just said we should try looking for this at Home Depot.
Yeah, he must be borrowing it. Oh, you know where he's borrowing it from? The Mason.
Well, it's out there on the wood, so I think you borrowed it from him.
Probably.
Core bore.
There you go. Core bore, baby.
It'd be a lot easier if we Huh? Yeah.
We'll rent that to you for $110 a minute.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
I'll get Wilder to give us the cash.
Okay.
Benito! How are you, sir? Putting her back together, huh?
Yeah.
Getting her all back together. Going to seed and straw? That'll make it nice. Nice work, guys. It's all nice hook up there. Good work. Getting that all hooked up. Clean out in there. Makes it nice. Did you guys do the back gutter too? Or just the front? Both? Oh, okay, the boxes were tape on them. That's right. You're right. So we got 2 collection boxes here. Guys got them taped off to get any soil, any dirt inside of them. So that's going on. They're just taped off. We'll take that off this afternoon after we finish here. So we'll capture all this water that was going into the backyard. Now we got it all going out to the street. So that'll be really nice. That's some hard concrete there, buddy. You had a bit in the middle to hold it. Yeah, get it going.
The diamond's worn down too on the edge.
Yeah, you need blade. Yeah, that center, that drill bit makes a big difference because it takes care of all the weight. Get it! Come on! 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 This ends this episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll see you next week.
Okay, Bob.